Hi everyone, happy Monday. Thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am, I'm Paige Innes with Gibson Sotheby's International Realty out of Boston's Back Bay. And this week I'm breaking down the sales market across South Boston, South End, Fenway, and the Waterfront area, covering condos and single family homes, key data in your screen route. So let's get into it. So the first neighborhood we're going to cover is South Boston Condos. They're the standout seller story of the week. Volume nearly doubled, homes are moving faster, and prices are climbing. If you are a seller that has a single family home, or you're a buyer that's outgrown the condo and looking to buy a single family home, it's a completely different story in South Boston. Prices rose significantly, but 6 out of 8 sold under asking. Buyers, the single family data is working in your favor here. Next up, we have South End Condo. Volume more than doubled and homes are selling significantly faster, but fewer sold above asking. Prices have softened. Buyers, this market is more accessible than last month. Single family homes had 1 closing. If you're a buyer that's looking to buy in the Fenway market, or you are a seller looking to sell, you should note that volume has dipped slightly, but the directional signals are improving. Homes are selling faster, fewer are closing under asking, and the above asking activity has ticked up. This market is starting to stabilize. The last market we're going to touch on in this week's market report is the Waterfront, and the Waterfront had the biggest volume jump of the week. 16 closing, that's up from 10. Prices rose significantly, but buyers, 11 out of 16 sold under asking. Real negotiating room exists here despite the rising prices. If you are a buyer, seller, or investor, you might be asking yourself, what is the big picture here? Well, the bottom line this week is South Boston Condos are the clear seller standout. South End and the Waterfront are giving buyers real opportunities, and Fenway is slowly turning a corner. Next week, I will be covering Brighton, Brookline, Cambridge, and Roxbury. So please come back and check out that report. And if you're looking for a full market breakdown, again, this is the place to come. But you can also check out on my Substack account every Friday at noon. I publish a report. The link will be in my bio. Please subscribe to weekly updates both here and on my social media. And I'll see you next Monday for another market report. Hopefully everyone is doing well. And thank you again for your support. Take care.